Guys, I got this this at the Dollar Tree, this Gather with Grateful Hearts. It was $1, and I am going to take off this raffia and pick the glue off and paint it white. And I believe I have some, I'm going to sand a little bit with my Dollar Tree sandpaper. And this is cute. This is cute. I do like it, but I'm gonna go for a whiter look. I probably don't need to sand too much. I'm gonna definitely pick that glue as I sandpaper my fingers. Let me use this screwdriver here to pick some of that glue off. And here I am painting the pumpkin with Waverly White chalk paint. I put about 2 coats of this on because some of the words on the pumpkin started to show through. Okay, I'm back with my pumpkin painted white. I put 2 coats on, and I'm going to use the Folk Art Home Decor Wax to age it. Please ignore my background. I'm also making a haunted house. I've got lots of things going on here today. If you've never used this wax before, it's going to look messed up. But you're going to wipe it off to get the look that you want. What you do is you get your wet paper towel and you wipe it off. You just kind of age it, streak it. You might need more time, might need more towels. We'll have to see. Try to do the edges. Okay, we're gonna let this dry and come back to it. The antique is dry, and on my Cricut I made Hello Pumpkin. I thought it was cute. One's sort of like a scrolly type font, and then this one is called the Skinny, so it kind of looks like Ray Dunn-esque. And I have my transfer tape here. Can't get it off. There we go. There's the transfer tape. I'm going to put it on top of my Hello Pumpkin and get you want this to transfer to the transfer tape. I hope you guys can see okay. And you gently peel back and make sure you got all of it. Okay. I might do the hello separate so that I get my spacing right. And just press it on. Okay. And then gently peel back. You have to make sure your paint is dry when you do this. Otherwise, you will have a problem. Okay, there's the hello. Looks good. See that? And now for the pumpkin, I'm going to peel back again. Get the pumpkin on there. I think I'm going to move it a little closer. Make sure you're straight. Okay. There we go. You can use a credit card for this if you don't have one of these tools. No big deal. And when you peel back slow. I might do something else down here to adorn it. Let's see. There we go. Looks great. I'm happy with it. I don't know if you can see right here. These little embellishments. And then I have this Baker's twine I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It came with 3 colors, the orange, which that would actually be cute, the yellow, and the black. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the black. I tied my Baker's twine around to the back, and I'm going to secure that with some hot glue. And let's just go around with our, I always burn myself with the hot glue gun. Making myself laugh here. Okay, so let's wind around. Try to get it in the glue. I love this baker's twine, it's so cute. I like red baker's twine too, I think it's adorable. They had other colors there, they had blue and purple. It was like another 3-pack. It might have been green, blue, and purple. And I thought that was cute too. I'm just gonna press in the back here. Make sure the glue is sticking. Put some glue down now on this tip. Try to get it to stay. Next thing, my nails will be stuck. Okay. Wouldn't be the first time. All right, so let's clip this. And it looks pretty cute for a stem. And I do have some, let me grab some of this burlap ribbon. I use it to secure on the back. Use this cutter here. I just take a patch and secure it onto the glue. It kind of will hold it in better. And let's just add a little more glue back here. We'll secure the flower down a bit. There we go. Here's the finished product. I'm gonna play around with the flower a little bit. And here is the Dollar Tree pumpkin transformed into beautiful rustic farmhouse decor. I hope you enjoyed today's craft project. Please let me know in the comments if you're planning on making a pumpkin, what text you would be using for your pumpkin. Also, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Please also comment, share, and like. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a great day.